A for apple, A for ant, apple and ant. B for bat, B for ball, bat and ball. What I'm saying, bat and ball. C for cactus, C for cup, cactus and cup. D for dog, D for dots, dog and dots. What I'm saying, dog and dots. E for egg, E for elephant, egg and elephant. A for frog, A for fish, dog and fish. What I'm saying, frog and fish. G for goat and G for grass, goat and grass. H for hand, H for hat, hand and hat. I for ink, I for insects, ink and insects. J for juice, J for jar, juice and jar. K for king, K for kite. L for lamp, L for leaf, lamp and leaf. M for man, N for monkey, man and monkey. N for neck, N for nose, neck and nose. O for ocean, O for over, ocean and over. P for plum, P for parrot, parrot and plum. Q for queen, Q for quail, queen and quail. R for rope, R for rat, rope and rat. S for sun, S for sunflower, sun and sunflower. T for tap, T for tub, tap and tub. U for uncle, U for umbrella, uncle and umbrella. V for violin, V for violet, violin and violet. W for well, W for water, well and water. X for box, X for fox, fox and fox. Y for yacht, Y for yellow, yacht and yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, zoo and zebra. This is zoo. There are many animals. You can see. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then like and subscribe.